from Barcelona. Hola guys, it's the Sassy Mom again. We are in front of the Sagrada Familia and we are trying to get in to the cathedral. So we just had to go through security to make sure that, you know, you're not bringing any firearms or anything that you're not supposed to. And we're here in front of Sagrada. Okay, so the church has three portals. The portal on the left symbolizes hope. The portal on the right symbolizes faith. And the one in the middle is charity. It's amazing that these leaf motif has some Asian touch to it. These were actually made by a Japanese. The basilica. Amazing piece of art. Amazing work of art. It's jaw-dropping, mind-blowing, name it. It's just amazing. It's unreal to be inside this work. So the interior of the church were designed as if they were forest. So this kind of mimics like branches that's hugging the interior of the church to support the ceiling. So these were the seats used back in the days. This was from 1913 and this one was from 1898. So they have like a museum here where they place all the equipments that they've used in the past. This is 1898. That is it for today for the Sagrada tour. We're walking towards GUELL. That's our second stop for today. The famous lizard. You may take a photo, but don't you dare touch it. Okay, we're going up. We're at the top of the park, top-ish, because I think that's the top right there. But This is an open space for everyone to take a photo. Bless you. This is another cool landmark to check out when in Spain. It's the Arc de Triomphe. So it's pretty much like the Arc in Paris, but maybe slightly smaller, or probably the same size. I'm not sure. It's about 2 miles from Park Güell. We didn't take a taxi. We decided we just ate, so you know what? Let's burn those calories and just walk. And now we're heading towards CIUTADELLA Park, which is just right across. There's a few things that you can do here at CIUTADELLA Park. You can rent a bike, you can kayak. They do have like a small pond that you can rent a boat and just cruise, and or just chill. They also have coffee shops right there, and there is one more at the end. Yeah, just chill. It's nice. We're here in Barceloneta, and this is San Miguel Beach.